Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I'm bringing you one of my free crochet patterns. It is called the Granny Star Motif. If you would like to pick up the free PDF, I have it up in my Ravelry shop and I will have that listed down below. All you need for this tutorial is going to be some yarn and a crochet hook. As usual, I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. So to begin this motif, there are several different ways that you can start it. It's really whichever way you're more comfortable with. You can use the magic ring. You can use this chain 4 method that I'm going to be using, or there's another method that I have up a video for that you can make a slip stitch to make a circle. So I will have all of those listed down below and you can just pick whichever one you're more comfortable with to start this motif. Again, I am going to be starting with the chain 4 method, so I have already made 4 chains on my hook and I will be working into the first chain that I am making double crochet stitches. So for this first row, you're going to be making 6 double crochet clusters, which I like to call them because it's just easy to sort of define them that way. It's going to be 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, and you're going to keep going around like that in a circle, and it's going to be 6 of those. So I'm going to go ahead and start by making 1 double crochet into the 4th chain of my hook. So that's a first cluster, which is 2 double crochet. I'm then going to chain 2. I'm going to make my second cluster, which is 2 double crochet. Chain 2, make my third cluster, 2 double crochet. Chain 2, 4th cluster, which is 2 double crochet. Chain 2, 5th cluster of 2. Chain 2, and then a 6th cluster of 2, and then 2 chains. I'm then going to slip stitch into the 3 chains that I had originally made in this row into the top to complete this row. Grab my scissors really quick. So as you can see, there is 6 double crochet clusters around with chain 2s in between them for the first row. So I'm going to grab my second color for the second row. I'm going to make a slip stitch. I'm then going to attach it into any of these open spaces. So I'm going to start right here. Then I'm going to make a chain 3. Throughout this tutorial, any chain 3 is going to count as a double crochet. So that is going to count as 1 double crochet made. I'm then going to make 2 more. I'm then going to make 2 chains. And then 3 more double crochet into this same space. Then going to chain 1 and move over to this next open space where I'm going to make 3 double crochet. Then I'm going to make 2 chains and then 3 double crochet into that same space. And this is going to be the tutorial, the pattern around this second row. You're then going to chain 1 again, and then you're going to move on to this next open space where you're going to do 3 double crochet. Chain 2. 3 more double crochet all into that same open space. You're going to chain 1, move on to the next open space. You're going to do 3 double crochet. Chain 2, 3 double crochet into that same open space. chain 1, move on to the next open space. We're going to do 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, chain 1, work into that last open space, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, you're going to chain 1 and then you're going to slip stitch into the 3 chains that you originally made in this row to complete this second row. And as you can see, it's sort of laying all weird. You can just pat it down. There we go, it looks more normal now. I'm going to close that middle right there. All right, so then we're going to move on to the third row. I'm going to grab my color. I'm going to make a slip stitch. I'm sorry, a slip stitch, a slip knot. And then going to start in any of the open spaces right here. Any of these. You're going to start with a chain 3. You're going to make 2 more double crochet because that's going to count as 1 double crochet, the chain 3. You're then going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. You're then going to work 3 more double crochet all into that same space. You're then going to skip over to the next open space and you're going to make a single crochet. You're then going to skip over to the next open space and you're going to be working double crochets again. You're going to work 3 double crochet. Chain 3. And 3 double crochet all into that same open space. You're then going to skip over to the next open space and you're going to work a single crochet. All right, so again, you're going to work to the next open space. You're going to make 3 double crochet. Chain 3. And then 3 double crochet. Onto that same space. Skip to the next open space, make a single crochet. In the next open space, you're going to do 3 double crochet. Chain 3. Sorry, I'm having to pull more yarn. 3 double crochet into that same space. Skip over to the next open space, make a single crochet. Next open space is going to be those double crochets again, so 3 double crochet. Chain 3. 3 double crochet, all in that same space. To the next open space, you're going to be making a single crochet. The next open space again, doing those double crochets. So 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet, same spot. Next open space, you're going to be making a single crochet. Then you're going to be slip stitching into the first chains that you had made in that row. So you're going to slip stitch normally where you would do in the top to go ahead and complete that 3rd row. And this is how your granny star motif should look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more from me. Please leave me any suggestions on future videos that you would like to see. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely. Thank you guys for being here. Have a great day.